Hello, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I want to give you a follow-up to our meeting that was at Winter Park, room 112 on April 12th, the Faculty Council meeting from 2 to 5. We started with our hello, how are you, to see how everyone's doing, and everyone seems to be doing well. It was nice to be on Winter Park campus. There is some construction there, but it's going to look great when it's all done. Under the what's going on, there's always a lot of things going on. Remember, commencement is Sunday, May 6th. You should be getting your regalia. Mine is waiting for me. I just got notification today. Don't forget to share the love campaign for the Valencia Foundation. There are 3 ways you can donate, so please donate if you can. We had a conversation with Dr. Sugar. Hopefully you were able to attend one of those. April is Sexual Assault Awareness Month, so there's some information here. There is a professional development course, recognizing and supporting students in distress, if you're interested. VALIC sessions, and make sure you have your Valencia Safety app. You can check out the March schedule of all the meetings that I attended and some agendas and updates of different things, meetings that I attend, a lot of things going on campus. And we started out with a request. The Valencia Foundation Scholarship Committee was looking for faculty participation. The deadline has passed, but we appreciate those who volunteered. I have been mentioning every message about the civic literacy requirements in Karen Borglum, so I put all the updates here. Karen Borglum is planning on having a history political science faculty meeting to discuss the issue, so I'll keep you posted on that. We did request your feedback for the final exam change proposal. Thank you for all of your feedback. It was just a discussion. It was never on the table. And based on the feedback and some changes, we decided there is no change to the final exam schedule. We will keep the final exam schedule as is. Thank you so much for giving your feedback. We appreciate that. I also appreciate that we can discuss things before they're up for vote. This is to give people feedback, and I think that's a great process. We are doing the one device pilot, so if you have questions about that, please don't hesitate to ask me. But if anybody is interested, there's a sign-in sheet. I'd ask at this point maybe to email me directly. I know the spots are limited. We did our Faculty Association Vice President vote, and I'm happy to announce that Stanton Reed, we only had one candidate running, but Stanton Reed will be amazing. The results are here. Thank you for those that voted. He is going to be amazing, and I'm very excited for that. We did a Faculty Council online assessment. Thank you for those that did respond. If you have some time, please check it out. We actually spend time during the council meeting going through all of your responses. We appreciate them and value them. So please take your time and check it out. I will say we learned a lot from it. There's an idea that we feel like there's too much communication coming at us at once, and how can we best clearly identify what communication we need and maybe is extra. So we're going to work on being as efficient as we can about getting the word out, but we do want to get the message out and be as transparent as possible. And there's some other great feedback in there, so please take some time and check it out. Thank you for your feedback. And then we did go through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 policies. If you look at the leveling link, a small team of 4 faculty council members review it and either give it a level 1, level 2, level 3, or level 4. Basically, level 1, the small 4-person group, can say we're good to go, it's just minor changes. Level 2 would be that the council can make a decision on it, again, minor changes. Level 3, the council can still decide, but we'd probably want to go back to our assemblies and senates to get more feedback. And then level 4, the entire association needs to see this. So all of these were either level 1 or level 2, so I'd say please take time to read through them. You'll see the markouts. 1 was a consolidation of 2, but we did endorse all of them. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me directly or your campus representative, but everything is here. Please click on it, and it was all endorsed. We are looking at a policy for attendance, looking at the procedures. If you have any feedback, please click here on the feedback. Basically, do we want to clearly define what is an excused absence or not? And the discussion that we had, and you'll see the feedback here, I summarized it, is that we're thinking that if it's law, for example, jury duty or military or religious, then no problem. We have no problem putting that in procedures. If it's not, then we may have some issues on how to enforce that or what some things are. But again, this is not on the table for endorsement. This is really just information on a possible change that can come to us in the future for adding attendance in there. We had 2 great presentations. Cynthia Santiago Guzman came. She's the Director of Compliance and Auditing. That's internal auditing. We had a conversation with her on how we can help her and how she can help us. So if there's anything you have concerns about, she'd be a great person to contact. And my favorite came, the theme this year has really been around safety and security, and they're thinking about doing a new training, but it's really the beginning of the idea, and they basically came to faculty first and said, what kind of training or program, or what do you think we need to do better in safety and security? And so we put some ideas here and summarized our thoughts, and there's some great feedback, but please click here and give more feedback as we develop some sort of additional training in addition to Run, Hide, Fight. And then we went around and talked to each campus senate and assembly and got updates from them, and we're following up on all of those. And our next meeting is May 10 from 2 to 5 p.m. at the West Campus, Building 11, Room 106. Again, thank you so much. I know you're very busy with finals, either now or right around the corner. Thank you so much for everything you do.